This week started really nice at the quiet, non-touristic Long Beach at San Vicente. I had a nice accommodation where I could sleep really good. In the evening we went to a viewpoint in the north and it was stunning. Yeah, nice run. I'm finally on a flat, so I feel very fast on just an easy run. But man, it's hot here on sea level. I started running at 5:30, but yeah, it's always hot. That's the biggest challenge here, the heat. In the evening we went to a viewpoint in the south of Long Beach and it was amazing. On Wednesday we drove to Bucana Beach, north of El Nido. The accommodation looked good from outside, but I had a horrible night. The dogs were barking all the night. The mattress was so uncomfortable. I could maybe just sleep 1 hour. It was so horrible. That's the challenges here in Southeast Asia. Sometimes it's so hard to get a nice sleep. But fortunately, the owner was very friendly and he gave me a better room for the next night. With almost no sleep, I tried to survive the day. We went to the Napkin Beach, which was my favorite beach here around El Nido. After breakfast, we went again to the Nakban Beach. In the evening, we went to Duli Beach, which is a surfer hotspot. I always like to body surf, but this time I got hit by a surfer. I tried to avoid the surfer by diving down, but the fins of the surfboard hit my feet, so I was unable to run anymore this week. On Saturday we had our highlight of the week, an island hopping tour around El Nido. We went to beautiful lagoons and beaches and we enjoyed the beautiful scenery.
Philippines, and then some species of bird from Indonesia goes here just to lay eggs here in that kind of rocks.
Wow.
That's the swiftlet. The swiftlet. You know the cichlids bird. They make nest from their saliva. Yeah, and that nest is very expensive. So before the El Nido was known as Il Baquit, but some Spanish discovered the nest, and then they called the El Nido El Nido. It means the nest.
Ah,
That's
okay.
Picture from here.
Wala na.
Oh, look, there's even a statue. In the end of our tour, it started to rain heavy and it felt really cold. The last night here in El Nido was again very, very bad for me. The people were doing parties, screaming, doing karaoke. All in all, the Philippine country doesn't let me sleep. So I get more and more frustrated. In general, I am not happy with my weekly mileage. I should run more. But under these circumstances, I think it's okay. I'm running consistent. But I hope from next week on I can run 40 kilometers plus per week. See you.